good morning to you all present here. Our guests have arrived. Let us acknowledge the presence of our chief guest, Mr. Michael Lobo, guest of honor, our Superior General, Reverend Sister Berna Rodriguez, accompanied by Sister Jovita Baptiscal and Mrs. Delilah Lobo. We also acknowledge the presence of Father Marcelino D'Souza amidst us with a round of applause. I request the guard of honor to lead our dignitaries towards the Father Faustino Children's Bus for the inauguration and our tiny tots of pre-primary along with their parents to join in.
सर बढ़िया
Outdoor activities exchange in the lives of little children. It also provides the best learning experience. Our pre-primary kids are really the fortunate ones who are privileged of having a wonderful and mesmerizing surprise of the children's park. Our beloved headmistress, Reverend Sister Margaret Rodriguez, strives to give her best for this institution. So she worked tirelessly and approached Mrs. Delilah, who has generously contributed for this park. They both equally deserve a big round of applause. Requesting our chief guest to unveil the plug and inaugurate the park by cutting the ribbon.
बरी जात ना का
Reverend Father Marcelino D'Souza, parish priest of St. Anthony's Church, Waterford, will bless the children's park.
जाय ना कोणी
Babaci, putacie, nipovita pleci देवसर वस्तूंचे मोल आनी उरूंब जाचे तान सगळे बरें आमकां मेळटा तो तुमची सगळीं आसूं आमी स्वतसान देवाची सेवा करूंक एकामेकाक आदार दिवंक आनी आमची कूड देवाच्या कायदे खाल दवरूंक तो आमकां शारिरीक शक्ती दिता देखून गिन्यानाक विसव आनी कुडीक भियान दुबाव नासतना देव मानून घेता हे परी कुडीचो जोतोन आमच्या मोतीचे भलायकी वाडयता अशें सोंपेपणी भाव भयणपण उदीक तीर जाता आनी सांगात वाडटा मागीर पावलो तरुणकारान बरयलेली पयली चिठी वेले वाचप एका लग्नांत धांवपी सगळेच धांवतात पूण एकल्याकच इनाम मेळटा म्हूण तुमी नकळत म्हणटच इनाम जोडून घेवचें द्रिस्तीन तुमी धांवतात पेलवान सगळ्यांचो त्याग करता ते भावता तसले आर जोडूंक तशें करता पण आमी कधीच बाबांना तसले आर जोडूंक वावुरता हांव धांवता तेन्ना इनाम मेळचे हेतून धांवता अशें वाऱ्यार मोठी मारी नासतना हांव कुस्ती खेळटा दुसऱ्यांक फडगोटणी केल्या उपरांत हांवूच भायर आलोलो जायना म्हूण म्हजी कूड दोनवाडान हांव तिका दमावून दवरता देवाचे उतरणे तुम्ही देवाचे मंदिर तुमचे कडेन देवाक महिमा दियात सगळे म्हज्या बळान नीट शेवटाक हांव धांवून वेता ताची पोरजां आमी ताच्या इंगांतल्यो शेडयो आमी स्वर्ग आनी संवसार भरल्यात तुज्या वैभवान सोमे जेजू आमचे बळ आनी संतोश सगळी जीण कोश्टवता आनी वज्याच्या भारा खाल आसा ती ताच्या मोगांत रावून समाधान जोडून तो समेस्तांक आपणाची आपयता ताका आमी विस्वासान उलो मारया आमचो जबाब जातलो सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर सगळीं म्हणया सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर तुज्या रक्तान पडिल्ल्याची तूं घटाय आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर असोक्तांचो तूं धीर आनी बलिश्टांचें इनाम आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर तूं बरें करीत आनी पिडा तेपयत गेलोय आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर तुज्या पुगितांतल्यान गोठाय भितरलो बुजवणार करून तुवें आमकां धाडलोय आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर तुवें तुजो आनी भावा भयणीचो मोग बऱ्याक स्वताची जोर केलो आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर आमचो संतोष पूर्ण जावच्याक आमचे मागणें तूं आयकयताय आमचो जबाब तुजे ताळ्यांनी आमी एका मनाची आनी एका काळजाची जाल्ली तुका जाय आमचो जबाब खरेंचपणी हें पाक हिंगा बांदलेले आसा आनी जायते जाणांनी आपलो भरपूर तोकोस घालून केलेले आसा खरेंचपणी आमची सिस्टर मार्ग्रेट आनी तिचे बरोबर वावुरतली सगळी सिस्टरी जावं ह्या स्कॉलान आसलेली टिचरी दुसरो स्टाफ आसा तांकां सगळीं मनान हाडून आनी भितरून आमची भयण ही लायला आनी तिचो गोठार मायकल आनी आपलें उदार मौन ह्या जाग्यार दाखयलेलें आसा आनी हातूंतलें बरेंपण जायतीं भुरगीं आपल्या जिवितांत अणभवतलीं ह्या सगळ्या तांच्या बरे खातीर आमी देवा कडेन वाचता देवान तांचेर आनी तांच्या कुटुंबाचेर भरपूर आशिर्वाद घालून आनी उदी करून तांच्या वावराचेर आमचो जबाब सोमया तुजेशी आमकां ओडून व्हर सोमया विचित्र मांडवळीन तूं सगळीं चलयताय आमच्या वावराचें वजन आनी उस्ते फावटी तूं ओलू करताय दिसोवप आनी भलायकी बऱ्याक पडटा तसलें मनोरंजन दिवन आमच्यो तकलेल्यो कोडी आनी मोठी तुझ्या काशो करता देखून तमान आसतना आमी तुजे किर्ती गाजयता हांगा तयार केलेल्यो हो जागो आनी तांतल्यो सवलत्यो आमचे कुडी मोठी आनी आतले नव्या जिवान भरचे खातीर मेकळो वेळ आमी करचून आनी हांगा एकठांय जाता ती सगळी एकामेकाचो सांगात बघून वाडून आनी सगळो तुका आर्गां स्तुती दिवंक पावो क्रिस्त आमच्या सुमया वरवीं आम्हा समस्तांचेर मोठी उजवाडायता आनी कुडीचो सपोर्ट सोडता तो देव आमच्या वावरांत आमकां मार्गदर्शन दिवं अशें दर दिसा खरो संतोष आनी इश्टागत आमी बगूंक पावूं आनी सुबेदार देव बाप आनी पूत आनी पवित्र आत्मा तुमकां समस्तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालूं
वीडियो आणि फोटो घेणे का श्याम सकल घेऊन वीडियो फोटो में
Put your hands together for the grand opening of Father Faustina's Children's Park. We are now eager to hear a few words from Mr. Michael Lobo on the grand opening of Father Faustino's Children's Park.
Today we remember Father Faustino, the founder of St. Michael's Convent High School. Present on the occasion, the Provincial General, the principal of the school, all the teachers, parents, and my dear students. I'm very happy to be amongst you all for this inauguration of this small children's park. We are committed to give good infrastructure for all the schools over here within the vicinity of Sholim constituency, and I assure that in the near future we will do not only this small park, we will do better infrastructure for schools, whether it is going to be e-library, whether it is going to be better toilets, all other infrastructure facilities which are required for all the schools in Anjuna, in Vagator, in Sholim area, Vella Kanka, within Bardes, within Goa. And I think when a MLA is elected, he is responsible to see that all required infrastructure for schools, because grant in aid is very small. What the government gives, grant in aid is very small. It's a very small amount, where even painting cannot be done in that. I am quite sure. The grant in aid, what they get, even a painting cannot be done. So we have to see that this money officially is increased from the government quota which they give every school in the state of Goa. Because education is primary, it's the foundation. Because without this primary education, you cannot come up. A nation cannot be built. Today India is developing is only because education is free and is compulsory, that every student should get educated. And to give good education, we have to have good facilities. We have to give them whatever is required in the school. Not only teachers, but we require good infrastructure. When the atmosphere is good, the student wants to study well, the parent wants to bring the student in that particular school because they have good infrastructure, they have got good teachers. Quality education is taught. This is where the child comes up. He gets the right education at the right time. He knows what to talk, when to talk, how to talk, where he has to, how he has to excel. He learns it in this primary school first. And this is where we need to do one extra mile for each and every student, for each and every institute in the state of Goa. And I assure that in the near future we will see good educational facilities in the state of Goa. We will improve the infrastructure, and I am committed towards that. Definitely what is being done today is quite small, but whatever more is required for St. Michael's Convent High School, I assure that I will do it in the near future. Whatever it is, whatever they have demands for the betterment of the students, for the betterment of this educational institutions, I assure that I will do. Once again, I thank the management for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to speak. And I wish all the best to the students, because we have just started the academic year. You are online. Now students will feel little different for the first 1 week, 2 weeks when they come to school. They were used to online. Now it will be offline. But parents will not remove your mobiles away. Don't worry about that. Because online studies are also important, equally important. Because once upon a time they were not allowing you to touch the mobile. Now they are giving you full mobile. Boro sarko iPhone आणि किती सगळे हात इतले बरे मोबाईल तुमका दिले हा. बरो उपयोग त्याचा खर्च इतले सांगून सगळ्यांक देव बरे करू म्हणटा. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, sir.
अशी उलयल्या बरी पडटली न्ही आमकां समती
पावस येता
उलय न्ही
they want a bite from
Good morning, everyone. Soglang Dunga Dev Borodi Sauneta. We have in our midst Sir Michael Lobo, Sister Maria. She is the Sister General of this institute. Sister Margaret, the head mistress. Sister Salvasam, the manager. My dear parents, students, press, media. I चोड खोशी बघता हांगा हे धाकटुले चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क इनॉग्रेट करपाक. I was a boarder in Perpetual Sacred Convent, Naveli, from 6 to SSC. It's a sister concern of this school. Naveli म्हाका वचोंक मेळना, पूण हांगा परते परते येवपाक म्हाका सिस्टर मार्गरेट आनी तेजी टीम येवकार दिता म्हणून हांव तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. You have to give back to your school when you grow up. That is the thing what we were taught in our school during our days. Sister Jane was the superior general at that time. And Sister Bernadine, may her soul, both their souls rest in peace. She was our headmistress. She had always taught us. And I'm glad I can do something back. This is a sister concern. Of course, I'll be going to Perpetual Sacred Convent. But Sister Libya had come and she's asking me when you're coming. I'll be there. But I'm glad हांव हांगा इलेक्शनाक रावला म्हणून करिना हे म्हाज्या इस्कॉलाक म्हणून करता हे इनॉग्रेट केला धाकटुलेच आमचे भुरग्यांचे चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क. I pray to the Almighty that He blesses our nuns. They were my parents during that time, and still their prayers are with me. God bless you all. And whatever you all need for this school, for this institute, my side, I'm always there. Sir Michael Lobo is there. This full school and the teachers and the parents are there with you. God bless you for your hard work. And thank you for inviting me here. Thanks.
Sister, you also speak.
I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Michael Lobo, Honorable Minister for Port, RD, Science and Technology and Waste Management, and Mrs. Delilah Lobo, Sarpanch of Para Village. I am proud to say that Mrs. Delilah Lobo is our bringing up, and she is our girl brought up by our sisters, and we are so grateful to God that she is doing a lot for the society. Her humility and her kindness is to be appreciated, and the humble nature of Sir Michael, we just cannot ignore it. God bless both of you for your hard work, and may He reward you by giving the opportunity to serve the people of society. God bless you.
Thank you. I have to say that a big thank you and add to what sister has to say. And I would say to Sir Michael, because though you are not a minister for education, but the way you spoke of education and what we have to do for education, so you know everything what is happening in and out, and so how we have to contribute towards the better education. So thank you very much, sir, and God bless you. Mrs. Delilah, thank you for taking care of our school. Though it is yours, but you are trying your best to give it back. So thank you. As a general, I say a big thank you to both of you. God bless you.
Thank you. I have to go.
एक राउंड मारूंगा
ठीक है
किती राउंड मारूंगा
घेतले